Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to request days off in Hotschedule. So without further ado, let's go in. So the first thing you're going to do is hit the three lines on the top left hand side of your screen. From here you're going to look for time off and requests. On this page you will see all of your current requests, okay? Once you have reached this page, you can now add a request by going down to the bottom right hand side of the screen and hitting the plus button. You'll have one of three options, all right? So you have a time off needed, a prefer to work, and a prefer not to work. What we are going to use as an example is the time off needed. You're going to request time off. From here, you can change again the type, which is the type off needed. You can also change the all day on, which basically allows you to book one full day without having to add in the time slots. If you would like to have this off, you can see over here you'll have to add a date and now as well as a time. So if you would like to request time off from midday to 3 p.m. or whatever the case may be, you can add that in over here. And then the comment section is required. So you'll have to add in the reason for your time off request right over here. You can just click on done on the top right hand side of the screen once you're complete. And you are literally done. You're going to go up to the top right hand side, click on the done button. And from here, you will see all of your requests. Okay, so as you can see, this one says pending approval. It will now pend approval from a manager or whoever is authorized to approve this time off request. Now, if this was a helpful guide, you can go ahead, drop us a big old thumbs up, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Peace out.